Hello, this is Lorena from Spotahome. Here we are in Carrer Salvador Perles number 36. We're gonna visit this apartment today. We're in a really quiet area in Valencia. It's not in the center, it's outside the center of the city. It's a really nice area and it's well connected. This is the kitchen. It's a fully equipped kitchen. You have an oven, a microwave, you have the fridge there, you have a dishwasher, and over here you have a washing machine. You can use this as a laundry room. You have this closet here. Here you have a bedroom. It's a bunk bed, and you have under the bunk you have another bed you can use, so you can use this room for 3 persons instead of 2 if you need to. You have a small chest of flour there, you have a chair, you have a heating system, you have a fan over there. This is the view of the window, as you can see. Really quiet area. Down on the hall. Over here we have the living room. We have a big sofa there. We have a table, chest of flour there. You have a TV. You have an air conditioner there. You have a table with 4 chairs. You have all these windows. It's the same view of the bedroom we just visited. Here, this is the bathroom. As you can see, you have the sink, you have a mirror there. You have a bathtub and a toilet. This is the other bedroom. You have a double bed. Some shelving, you have a mirror there. You have some drawers. This is an inside patio window, as you can see. And this is a 3-door closet. And we have the 3rd bedroom here. This is a double bed also. You have 2 bedside tables. You have a window to an inside patio. We have a 4-door closet with mirrors on the door. As you can see, you have 2 mirrors on the door of the closet. And you have an en-suite bathroom. You have the mirror, the sink, you have a bathtub over here, shower, and you have the toilet here. This is the biggest room in the house. This is the hallway. So that's it. Thank you and goodbye.